Welcome to Intellectual. In this video tutorial, we'll try to calculate the difference between the two shaded regions. Now, before solving this question, let us rename this shaded region as, let us say this is A, this will be B, and this will be C. Now, we have to find out the difference in the shaded region, that is C minus A in this case. Now, in order to find out C minus A, we have to find out the area of this semicircle and the area of this triangle. Now, let us see what is the formula for area of semicircle. Now, area of circle is given as pi r square. So, semicircle is half of the circle. So, area of semicircle will be half pi r square. Now, area of triangle is given by half into base into height. I will draw the figure over here. This is a triangle. Any triangle. This is called base and this is called as height. Similarly, I draw a semicircle. This is a semicircle. This is r. So, this area is half pi r square and this is half base into height. Now, we will start solving the question. Now, the radius of the semicircle. The radius of the semicircle is will be the half of the side of the square, because the side of the square will be the diameter of the semicircle. So, radius will be 7 centimeter. So, this is half into 22 by 7 into 7 into 7. We can use the values of pi as 22 by 7 or 3.14. We are taking 22 by 7. So, this is 77 centimeter square. Area of triangle will be half into base into height. The base is 14 and the height is also 14. So, it will be 98 centimeter square. Now, we have to find out the difference in the shaded region, that is this portion and this portion. So, we will write in shaded region is given as C minus A, which I can write as C plus B, which is the area of this triangle. This is C plus B and this is A, this is B plus A, which I can write as B plus A. So, it will be C plus B minus A, that is equal to C minus A, and the area of that is C plus B is area of triangle. This C plus B is area of triangle and this B plus A is area of semicircle. So, area of triangle was 98 centimeter square and that of semicircle is 77. So, our answer is 21 centimeter square. So, hope you like this. See you in the next tutorial with some more questions on shaded region. Goodbye. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel.